What do you want for breakfast, Ona?
I want a banana.
A banana?
Martha, do you have for me?
Yes, I am.
Lizards, let's go and see. Do cows lay eggs? No, they don't. Cows lay milk. Lizards, let's go and see. Do pigs lay eggs? No, they don't. Pigs make sausages.
Very good. What does sheep make?
Sheep make wool.
Very good. What do you want for